Hello friends, today's topic Asian Paint share crash 8%. What next? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. We have made multiple videos about Asian Paints and underperformance in this year. We will put the link of these videos in this description box. ಗ್ರಾಸಿಮ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಜಿಯೋ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿಕ್ಕುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಶೇರುಗಳು ಅಂಡರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಹೂಡಿಕೆದಾರರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? These are the videos we released in terms of Asian Paint. Today, Asian Paint share fell by 8% due to the weak quarter results. Following is the highlight of the performance. Parameter revenue July-September 2023 8,479, July-September 2024 8,028 crores minus 5%. Net profit July-September 2023 1,232 crores, July-September 2024 694 crores and minus 44%. The results were weak and below analysts' expectations. Many brokerage companies have expressed their concern over the company's disappointing performance due to weak demand and intense competition in the sector. Many brokerage companies have downgraded the stocks and downward revised Asian Paint stock target price. Asian Paint's revised target price. JP Morgan rating underweight, old target 2,800, revised target price 2,400. CLSA rating underperform and revised target price to 290. Nomura rating neutral, old target price 2,850, revised target price 2,500. Morgan Stanley underweight and then revised target price 2,522. Jeffries underperform, revised target price 2,100 and the today's price 2,543. Asian Paints analyst rating summary: buy 9, hold 11, sell 19, total 39 number of analysts. Concerns: number 1, significant fall in net profit due to the fall in profit margin by 4.8% to 15.4%. Company Asian Paints operating profit margin 15.4%. Berger Paints 15.6%. Kansai Nerolac 10.9%. Akzo Nobel 14.9%. Indigo Paints operating profit margin 13.9%. Birla Opus Grasim operating profit margin data not available. Number 2, competition from new players such as Birla Opus, JSW Paints, Pidilite Paint has negatively impacted the business of the existing players in the paint sector. 3, the new company, especially Birla Opus, has been providing paints with very lower profit margin compared to other companies as well as providing favorable credit terms to dealers. Birla Opus has set a target for the paints business to reach profitability and cross 10,000 crore in revenue in the next 2 to 3 years. After today's fall, Asian Paint share price is at the same level as April 2021. As feared, the performance of Asian Paints and other old paints companies has been negatively impacted, hence the stock price is reflecting it. However, this should not be a surprise for investors since such information has been available in the news since 1 year and also made multiple videos on our channel. Stock performance of paint companies. Asian Paints 1-year returns minus 11%, 3-year returns minus 4% per annum, 5-year returns 9% per annum. Berger Paints 1-year returns minus 13%, 3-year returns minus 9%, 5-year returns 5% per annum. Kansai Nerolac 1-year returns minus 12%, 3-year returns minus 12%, 5-year returns minus 6% per annum. Indigo Paints 1-year returns 0, 3-year returns minus 13% per annum. Due to the intense competition, the entire sector is going to be impacted, new and old companies. We need to see what the old companies will do to face the lower pricing of new companies. Currently, new companies are using the Reliance Jio approach in the telecom sector by selling at much lower prices than competition. Of late, the stock market regulator has been very strict on people who are giving opinions about individual stocks. We have only stated the facts and figures publicly available. Many YouTube videos of large Indian English stock market channels have been banned by government authorities since they were talking about specific stocks. Even videos made by people registered with SEBI are being banned, so nobody knows what is not allowed and what is allowed. Now, choices for investors. Such decisions need to be taken based on individuals' risk appetite, time horizon of investment, and confidence in a company. If it is more than 10% of your overall portfolio, then you need to worry why such a high percentage is invested in one stock and accordingly decide if you are comfortable holding a large stake. If Asian Paints is 5 to 10% of your total, it is not significant portion of your portfolio. You have diversified properly. You have two options. A. Sell entire stake and reinvest in another sector or reallocate to existing stocks in your portfolio. B. Hold the stock and not invest further until you are confident of improvement in the business performance. There is no right answer on such decisions. The future is uncertain when there is a lot of change in the industry due to more competition. Please note that you should be capable of investing in direct stocks and take responsibility for it. There will be some laggards. If you are not confident of direct stock investing, the mutual fund is a more suitable option. End of the video, here's the question. If you hold Asian Paint shares, what percentage of your total is in Asian Paints? If you don't hold, type no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.